This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, guys. So today we are going to talk about the lab setup. How we are going to set up the lab either on local or Azure. So in order to create the lab, we have to download first. I'm gonna click on this Windows Server ISO file, and I'm gonna click on download, and then download anyway. So I sent this email to you, Hitesh, and you already have all those details with you. So
You can also send it to me. You know, I mean, I would like to.
that's the reason I asked you to email address. So did you
Yeah.
send me your email address? Okay.
I'll send you on the
What is
group.
your?
It's there on the group. I'll send it to you.
Okay. OJ Lusegun07 Hotmail. What is your first name?
My first name is Oluwasegun, but it's Olu.
Okay.
O-L-U.
Olu. Okay. I'm gonna send that to you, Olu. So I just sent that to you. The email which I sent to Hitesh, same email address I sent to you, Olu. Okay.
Okay. Just give me 1 second. I just
So
need
if you
to.
if you don't find it in inbox, check in a spam folder. Okay. Now coming back to this. So you have started downloading. No, don't download everything in one go. You have. I think it's already downloading. So let me just close this. You see, it is getting downloaded right here. Hitesh, getting downloaded. Okay. So let's leave it as it is. Now, after it is downloaded, you need to start downloading SQL, and then SQL Management Studio, and then SCCM setup, and then you need to install Oracle VirtualBox. Or Hyper-V is already there, then you don't have to install Oracle VirtualBox because you would like to set it up on Hyper-V. Okay. Right. Now you need to start creating virtual machines. So you know how to create virtual machines, right?
Right.
So create virtual machine, 3 machines with the operating system you need to choose is this one, Windows Server 2019 Data Center Desktop Experience. And the name of the server will be domain, the second one will be database, and the third one will be MECM. The 3 server you have to create. And the server operating system, I mean the memory, you have to give 3 GB RAM to domain, 4 GB RAM to database, and 4 GB RAM to MECMPS server, and 2 processor to database and MECM. Database will have 2 processor, MECM will have 2 processor, domain will have 1 processor. So this is how you can start. And then you have to start it from today onwards. And in case if you face any problem, you can message me or call me. In this tomorrow we don't have any session, so you have to set it up before Monday, these all things. Okay. In case if you are facing any challenges, you can let me know. I can connect to your computer and help you with that one. Now, Olu.
Yes.
You have to do the step number 1.
Okay.
Step number 1 is for Azure. Okay.
Okay.
Now you need to create this Outlook account and then free Azure account, and then you need to create a new email address. And then while creating Azure account, you have to put the new email address, new credit card, and new phone number, which you have never used before. Okay, because if you use any old one, it's gonna consider you as the same person. Now you were about to show me the free trial thing. How many days remaining in the existing one?
Yeah, I'm just about to show you. I'm just logging into my email.
Okay,
Now.
I made you presenter. Share your screen.
I will. Okay. That's so done for me. Yeah, I found it. I was a bit shocked that was correct.
You need
Yeah,
to
I found
share
it.
your screen.
Yeah, I just found the account, so I need to log in now. 1 sec.
Okay.
Porter dot com. Boom. Yes. You see my screen? Are you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen now.
Boom. How do I minimize this screen, this go to meeting stuff? It's just blocking something. Let me see. I'm not used to it.
Okay, click on subscription.
Let me just get this thing out on the road. I did it 5 days ago.
Click on this, the first one, Azure subscription. Wait a minute. "24 days remaining." You can utilize this one. Okay. However, you have both the options. So if this gets expired, you can still use the local one. Okay.
Yeah, you
don't have to
mentioned
do anything.
you mentioned something. You mentioned that Hitesh should use Hyper-V. So
Yes.
does it mean
No,
that he should
anything.
use
No.
Hyper-V?
You don't have to do Hyper-V. You are already using Oracle VirtualBox. Continue with the Oracle VirtualBox. Hyper-V and Oracle VirtualBox, these are just the platform. Okay.
Yeah, I know.
So let's leave it as it is. You don't have to do anything until Monday. You wait for my instruction for Monday. Okay. Now, if you have any machine, you stop them. Do you have any machine running? Let me see.
I have one VM running. One VM, but I've shut it down already.
Okay, good.
Because if I didn't shut it down, it's probably going to be charging me
Yes,
with money.
right. I will make you presenter, Hitesh. Hitesh, I made you presenter. Hitesh, you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Share your screen. You have not shared your screen, Hitesh.
I'm sharing. Is my screen visible?
No.
Okay, 1 second.
Have you stopped my own screen sharing? I hope
Yeah.
it's not going to. Yeah.
I can see your screen now. Is the
Okay.
download completed? Let me see. Wait a minute.
Yeah, I mean, it has downloaded the ISO for 2019.
Very good. So we have to go to the location where it is downloaded.
Okay. Let me drag it over. Yeah.
Oh. So this is the ISO. I'll show you how to create a new machine. Let's go to Hyper-V. Similarly, you have to follow the same step for other two machines.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay.
Hyper-V. Now here you need to click on the, choose new and choose virtual machine. Very good. Next, generation 1, and now type in domain. The name of the machine is domain. Next. Next, give 2 GB, 3 GB RAM to domain, because in the email 3072 megabyte is equal to 3 GB. Okay, got it?
Mhm.
3072 is the 3 gigabyte. Next, 4 GB is 4096. Now connection, choose the drop down and choose the, which one you have. You created these two switch, lab switch and this one. Default, go,
Yeah,
let's go with the default one.
okay.
You have default. Let's go to the default one. You have the
Okay.
default. Next. Now domain is fine. It is gonna store. Okay, that's fine. Next.
Size okay?
That's okay.
120.
That's okay.
Okay. Okay.
And choose this option. The second option, install an operating system from a bootable CD, and then choose the image. Yeah, from the domain. Yeah, download folder. Yes, choose that file. Click open. Next. Finish. Power on this machine. Right click and then choose start or connect. Choose connect. Now right click and connect. Start means powering on, and connect means you can see the screen.
Okay.
By those here.
This one.
Account ready.
Ah, sorry. I don't know where
Okay
this
there.
one is coming from. Oh, sorry.
No, it is.
Okay.
Who was that
Yeah.
with a heavy voice?
Yeah, well, no, it's one of the YouTube that I always watch. So
You watching
it
YouTube
just
now?
no, I mean it's one of the YouTube that I was watching. So because I was going to pull my headset on, so when I
Next.
turned on the headset, it now
Okay, understood.
triggered the YouTube.
Understood. Next. Choose next. Install now.
So if you're using Hyper-V, do you have to enable virtualization on your local machine?
By default it is done in these operating system now, in this motherboard. Now choose the last option. Choose the last option. Yeah, every time when you will build the other two machines, you have to choose the last option. Okay, Hitesh. Next.
Yeah. So I guess there is no difference. I mean, all operating system look same.
No,
I
there
mean,
is a difference. No,
There
there
is,
is a difference. Yeah, go next.
yeah, there is. One is core and one is GUI. So if you install the
So we are
core,
using the GUI one. Click on
yeah,
I accept. Choose
you,
next.
you won't be able to manage it except
Choose the
you are
second option, custom. Choose the second one, custom, and then go
except
next.
except you
Go
are
next.
like cache. If you are cache,
Yes.
then you can use core.
Okay, so Hitesh, you have to follow the same step for other two servers,
Sure.
database and MECM server. Okay, and keep
Okay.
it ready before Monday. And in
Sure.
case if you face any challenges, you let me know. Now, you, Olu, you don't have to
Yeah.
do anything. We'll meet on Monday now. Okay.
What I'm gonna do is I'm
You
not
don't do
gonna
it on Hyper-V. You don't do it on Hyper-V.
do.
Yeah, I read your mind. Don't do it on Hyper-V. Okay,
Okay, no problem.
it's working
Okay,
already.
what if I got a job that is only Hyper-V environment that they have?
No, it's just Hyper-V. It's just a platform. Okay, simple, same
Oh,
concept. Either you
yeah,
do it on Oracle VirtualBox or VMware or Hyper-V. It's one and
okay,
the same thing. Okay,
okay. Don't
don't worry
worry.
about it. Okay,
Okay, that's fine.
okay.
This tiny URL
Copied.
seems
You copied
to
twice
be
actually. Can you open the email again? I
sure.
think the email is not coming properly. Yeah, two times it's coming. Two times. So you have to copy till this one,
Okay. Okay.
2016.
Okay.
Okay, keep it ready before Monday. Okay, and let me know in case if you face any challenges. We'll meet you guys on Monday now. Okay,
Yeah. And so
Yeah,
why do we have these two different URLs, SQL Studio and SQL
that's a SQL
database?
server. That's a SQL server, the first one, and the
Hmm.
second one is Studio is the tool, management studio, to access the
Okay.
database.
Okay. Okay. So
Okay,
do,
guys,
do we need to download this as well?
both of them. Yes, both of them.
Okay. 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 I'll do it.
Itesh, if you want to catch up, for us to do extra like lab together, feel free to let me know. We can catch up because
Sure. Sure. Sure.
Wait a minute. I think you are not copying properly. Let me type in manually. Wait a minute. tinyurl.com and then /SQL std SQL db 2016. So in the email, it is removing the hyperlink. I don't know what is happening. You see, that's the first one I am gonna download. Oh, too many users have downloaded. Okay, let's try after some time.
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye now.
or maybe Kashi, we should that old one and get another one uploaded. To get another one uploaded, a new one, then it might be okay. Because too much, a lot of people, maybe you've trained like over.
No, no, it will after a couple of hours he will be able to download. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Bye now.
Hmm.
Bye.
Bye, Kashi.